Okay, turn it on. Anand. Let's see how it works. Oh my good God! It is turning to a robot. Oh God! Look at that! It's dancing. It's a dancing robot.
Yeah.
And also a plane. Oh God! Oh. It's a plane plus a dancing robot. It's a transformer, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it transforms to a robot. Yeah. Whoa.
Let me show you.
It's like a real plane. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So when it turned to a rubber plane,
Huh?
when it turned to a rubber nice plane.
Because it's a transformer. It's from the movie, I think.
Yeah, and it's in the TV.
In the TV?
No. It's so scary.
Is it scary? I don't think it's scary. It's a fun. It's a very colorful. Let's take it to the whole world. Let's see. Not spicy. This is very delicious, sweet.
I'm not being hungry.
Ready? I love your car. I love your plane. They're so beautiful. I love that one as well. Okay, you can turn that one on as well.
Thank you.
Yeah, put it on. Oh. Let me see, what do they do? Dara, turn it off. I know, just put it there. So we need to see the lighting. It's super lighting. Okay, move. Nina, can it fly? It doesn't fly. Can it go to the sky?